show you how to extrude in AutoCAD and how to do the same in Revit. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to turn simple 2D shapes into 3D forms in both programs. Let's start in. First, in AutoCAD, open AutoCAD. Check that you are in 3D modeling. You are in 3D modeling. Type extrude or go to the tab home and press extrude. We have these shapes: irregular shapes, triangle, square, and circle. Press on it. Press extrude. How much do you want to extrude? Let's say 50. Press enter. Second one, extrude. Let's say I want to buy 100. Press enter. To see your extrusion, press on the wheel of the mouse and shift and move. See the extrude. Now you can also extrude in the type extrude, press enter. Extrude the square, press enter. How much do you want? Let's say 20. The circle, same as with the circle. Let's say extrude, enter, press on the circle. Let's say I want to below to go down. Let's say by 20. That's it. Also, you can extrude by path. Let's say extrude. Select the circle, the shape. Select now the path. Enter. Exit, let's say. And now you see that you can extrude simple 2D shapes into 3D. And that's it for AutoCAD. Jump into Revit. First, let's say you want to draw a furniture or a component. Let's go to component. We don't want to place it, we want to model it. Let's say it's furniture. Select. Press furniture, okay. Let's call it furniture 1, okay. You go to under the create tab, extrusion, press on the extrusion. Now you draw your shape. Let's say it's a rectangle. And maybe it have a small rectangle here. You press correct. Now you have the shape extruded. How to see it? We go to view 3D. This is your shape. To change the height, you press on it. You see the extrusion and the properties. Let's say you want it, no, not 250. Press enter. You see you change the extrusion. You can play with the arrows to change the shape, and that's it for extrusion in Revit. And that's how you extrude in AutoCAD and Revit. AutoCAD uses the extrude command for 3D solids, while Revit uses extrusion forms inside families and massing. If you like that video, please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more AutoCAD tutorials and Revit tutorials. Thank you. Bye bye. See you later.